Okay, after we did create a new MySQL database and user database, now we should link them together into our web hosting server where, for example, someone who sign up into your website, his information will be registered into the database. Also, for the blog post, everything you did in your website will be registered into your database, and this database, it should be located into the PHP myadmin. I will show you how to did the informations work. So let's click on the PHP myadmin, then we will be redirected into the PHP myadmin dashboard where you can see your database with all the information. So as you see here, this is the database that we're going to work with, and it is empty, nothing in it. As you see here, there is no table or add no row. Alright, so now let's start making our website alive. So let's go into our website. For my case, it's ismaildev.com. As you see here, there's it looks like something went wrong. Don't worry about this message. Why? Because we need to link the databases into the config file. So let's go and copy the database username. So as you see here, we have the same same username and the password as you see here. So we just need to copy one of those and paste it into the user and the database. So let's go back into the cPanel and go and click on the dashboard section here. Then from the dashboard, let's go into the file manager. Then from the file manager here, let's click and choose the ismaildev.com or your website and click on the file manager. If you, as I've said before, if you have just one website, just go ahead, you will be in this area. The next thing we should do is going into the content, then into the application, not the content. Let's go back the application, then go into something called config. There is a lot of PHP files. All right, all the configs, all the things that you do will be because of these files. So let's go back, click on the database, and as you see here, we have something called dump.sql. This dump.sql, you have to upload it into your website first. Why? Because it will load all the information of the database into your web hosting. Alright, so let's go back into the phpMyAdmin, and before all, we need to extract our file, which is the hello video.zip. Double click on it. If you are using a Windows, just extract it using the WinRAR software or another software that has the same functionalities. So once you extract the file, you have to go back into your phpMyAdmin, click on import, then from the importer you click on the upload from here. In my case, it is in a French language, alright? So don't be confused. Then the next thing, click on the folder of that you have extracted, then click on the application, then databases, select the dump.sql and click on open. Awesome. Now let's go down and click on execute. And now all the tables, all the rows will be uploaded into the database, and now it should be working. As you see here, we have too many tables like the video categories, the videos, the users, the sign in to your website, the theme settings, themes, tags, settings, posts, plugins, and much more. Okay, the next thing we should do, click on or go back into the Hostinger file manager, then go back into the main folder, which is the public.html or the application folder. Double click on it, or sorry, the env file, which is the config. Right click on it, click on edit. Alright, so these are the informations. So what to do, go back into the Sublime, copy this database name, database as you see here, just paste it, and paste the same into the username because we have the same username as the database. Now let's go into and copy the password and go back into our Firefox or any browser you like, paste it, and for the database host or for all the web hosting services except for the free services, it may be different, but how to find this, you can go back into your databases. Then from your databases you can manage your database. For example, here we have the database MySQL database name, which is ISMA. For the user it's ISMA at the same time, and the MySQL host, it is the local host. If you have a different option or different name, you can just go ahead, copy it and paste it into your .env file. Once you did that, go into save and close. Great. The second thing we should do, go back into our website, then click on refresh. So now our website should work. Maybe you will find a problem when you want to install, especially for HostGator. I'll tell you how to fix this. There is a problem called encrypt plugin, or required to install this script. If you face this problem, you have to go into your cPanel, go to your dashboard, and from your dashboard you have to go down into the PHP settings, which is this one, or PHP info. Click on it. Then from the PHP info, oh sorry, not the PHP info, let's go, PHP configuration, sorry, click on it. Then you have to go and choose the version. For me, or now I'm using the version number 7. You may choose another one. So for each version you choose, you have to go down and find something called encrypt, this one. It will be unchecked. All you have to do, click on check, or make it check like this, then save the settings and go back into your website, do a refresh from here, and once you refresh your website, it's going to be working. Okay, so let's move on into the next video and I'll explain to you how does this work, how to change the background, how to change this hidden text, how to change the bottom options, how to remove all these demo content, how to start creating, or how to add video categories, post categories, your links, your pages, how to change the link of the social network, how to change the description, and much more. So see you in the next tutorial.